What the fuck?
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Jesus.
He was alone in the car.
You wanna follow him? Follow him, follow him.
My wheel, my engine is ready.
Alright. Alright, we got a spare engine. Alright, he's coming back, he's coming back. Duck, duck. Zigzag, zigzag.
Where?
He just went to the west over the hill by the industrial.
He's behind me. Welcome from the shot.
He's reversing up the street from the south. Should try to shoot tires out.
He's coming.
Yeah, he's backing up. Oh, he's lost it.
I can try to snipe him.
Tire, yeah, he's lost a tire.
He's coming here. I think he tried to park.
He took another tire out. So you?
I kill him. I kill him. I kill the driver. I kill the driver. 200 points.
Nice. Just keep an eye on it.
Fuck this zombie. Me. Yeah, just kill a zombie.
You did or they did?
No, no, no. It's me. They're running to the shot.
Be quick though.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shot. It's you?
No. I see zombies running to the church area.
You have nothing inside, only some ammo for you.
Okay.
Ooh, long rifle.
Fluffy 13.
In the car they have some food. I don't have 10 round 76 too. Maybe I can tell in the chat where find the Vodnik.
Alright, I eluded him. Destroyed the grave. Is our car all fucked up?
Yes. Did you take the binoculars in the car?
I took yours.
The truck?
Yeah, I took them.
Okay.
Well, that went well. Oh.
Little house. The
Little house, yep.
Right, he suck at aiming. Did you hit you?
No.
Okay.
He just ran to the left to go to church.
It's the second hunter.
I think he's trying to come around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him, I think.
I don't see him.
He's, can't tell. Run for that house. Directly in front of me.
Okay.
Oh, there's movement behind us. Yeah, there's a zombie running up the road. We should just run, because they could be coming around any direction, central.
Do you have a rain?
Yeah. I see him, I see him. It's by the bush.
He shot on me. He missed me. Yeah, I see him.
I got him. Motherfucker.
It's a Luna up here.
Oh.
I don't know this guy.
No.
Guess what?
What?
You have a skill.
Nice.
You can have it. I don't need.
Okay, just take it. Take it.
And you have some wooden pallet for build the heaven cache.
Oh. Just put everything on the ground or destroy the grave. Except the steel, of course.
I have the steel on my backpack.